Welcome to the Compartment Bag tour. The style number for this bag is 9850, just in case you want to look it up online. And this bag I estimate to be likely from the 80s based off of the creed, and it was made in the US. So the color of this bag, I believe, is navy blue. It's a really beautiful dark blue, as you can kind of see from this up close of the strap here. It's a really beautiful color. I'll go ahead and give you a close-up tour now of the bag. So here's the front. It's got a brass turn lock closure. And here's the side of the bag. It's got this front compartment pocket that you can kind of see from the side view, and then here's the back, and it does have this nice deep back slip pocket. You could easily put a phone in there. And then here is the side view again, and then I'll show you the top and the bottom so you can see the condition of the bag. So here's the top, and then here's the bottom. As you can see, this bag is in really nice condition. It doesn't have a ton of wear on it. And I'll go ahead and open it now so you can see the inside. Okay, so here's the inside. Just opened it, and here is the front pocket compartment, hence the name compartment bag, I suppose. It's got, I think this was called in the catalog, a front gusset pocket. So you can see that. And then here's the main compartment, and it's got a nice zip pocket here. So you could put something that you want to secure in this pocket, and you'd have plenty of room for your wallet in here, and then any other essentials, makeup, lip gloss, lipstick, whatever. Definitely have room in this bag. It's a really nice, like, medium size. It's definitely not too big, but it's not tiny either. So that's the inside. Oh, I forgot to show you. I don't think you can see it very well on camera, but the creed is back there. I'll go ahead and link the Etsy listing for this bag, and then you can take a closer look at the creed that way if you wanted to see it. You could see it in the listing. I'll include a photo, of course. So this actually has the older turn lock too. I should probably show you. So it's got the older backing because it's a little bit of an older vintage bag. So that's about it for the bag. It can be worn as a crossbody or shoulder bag, which is nice. You have that option. And then real fast, here's the brass buckle, and the strap length is adjustable. I just lightly conditioned and cleaned this bag, the leather, and it didn't really need too much work at all. It was in really good condition, as you can see. I didn't polish the hardware on this one because I didn't really think it needed it, and also I try not to do really anything with the older turn lock pieces just because I think they look nice, kind of aged the way that they are without really being polished, unless there's some issue that I think warrants them being polished, but I haven't really ever come across that on the older bags. So this one's in pretty much unrestored condition, with the exception that I did clean and condition the leather a little bit, but that's about it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll go ahead and link our Etsy store below, and you can check out this bag if you'd like to see it further. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Take care.